Okay, Beatrice, so it's the paper twos that you struggle more with. 60 is your best so far, which is a a high grade D. Let's see if you can push any closer to the C this time. Right, so 4 marks there. What you've done there is correct, but it doesn't answer the question, which in this case is how much does the builder have to pay. You've had answered the question, how much discount does he get? So what you need to do is now take them away. That's right, good, and that's right, good. So 4, 8, 10, 11 on that page. That's nice, and that's good. 10, 15, 8, 7 is correct. And that's good as well. Summer and 7. That was 4, 3. C, A, B. Good. Excellent. So 14 for that page. Right. It's that what you've done there is that in fact the answer to the one that's underneath. If they're identical, then that one and that one and that one and that one the same. They'll all be the same length. It's a rhombus. Take away 7 each time, times by -2 each time. Well done. Well done. P is not 4, so what have we got here? 2p, 5 times, right, you've written this out in the wrong way. It's 5w, so it should be 5 times 4 equals 2p plus 3 times -4. So we have 20 equals 2p. 3 times -4 is -12. To get the 2p on its own, we first of all have to get rid of -12. The opposite of taking 12 is adding 12. So you get 32 is 2p, so p is 32 divided by 2 equals 16. So you've started with your formula written out there wrongly. So you're not going to get any marks for that, unfortunately. 4/9. First of all, you work out what 1/9 is by doing 45 divided by 9, which is 5. So if 1/9 is 5, 4/9 will be 4 lots of 5, which is 20. 5 for the page. That one's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Good. 17, 24, 31, 27, 23, 19, because both numbers are even numbers. That's not enough. What you have to show there is that the difference is divisible by 6. So again, watch how I explain that on the video clip. After 5 steps, they'll have the same value of 75, so that's good. That's not right either. Again, if you watch me talk through that question on my video solutions, then hopefully it'll make more sense to you. This one, again, watch how I do that in the video, but basically, this is a quick one to explain. ABC is an equilateral triangle, so you should know that each of those angles are the same and they reach 60 degrees. So you know that that's 60 degrees. You know that if that's a square, that angle there is 90. So if you cut it in half, it'll be 45. And then you add those together to get 105 degrees, which is ACE. So no marks on that page. That's correct. For this one, we'll be practicing this week, but if I just show you what you need to do is get your compass, the compass point on the angle, and then cross each side like that, and then without changing the size of your compass, make an arc like that, and then another arc like that, and then that will bisect the angle. Bisect means cut in half. So that's what you're looking for there. Okay, so 215 degrees from Holyhead is spot on. 324 is perfect. Well done. 5 for that page. That's correct. That's the test. Well done. 4 marks. 23 meters for that. How many car lengths? 24 meters. So you've got to actually work it out into car lengths, so you haven't finished that. So again, watch how I explain that on my solutions. Those are both wrong with you, so again, take a look how I explained the rest of that question on the video clip. Right then, we will be doing these probably next week. That is correct. 173.31 is correct. So you've got 2 marks there. Then here you've lost your decimal point. You've got your decimal point up there and there, but it needs to be in there. And because it's not there, that's going to be wrong. Then you're going to find your 5%. And then you've gone wrong from there then. So you've worked out your 5%, so you're going to get 1 method mark for working out the 5%, but then you're going to round that off to 2 decimal places and include it in your bill. So that's as far as you're going to get with that question. But as I said, we will be doing some practice of those certainly in the next couple of weeks. For the area of a triangle, you have to do a half base times height. So it's a half times 4.1 times 8.6. And for the perimeter, well, what you've done there now is you've added an area that you've worked out there to those 2 sides. So that's not correct. You need to work out AB. Now that's using Pythagoras rule, which is again something that we'll be practicing the week after next probably. Okay. Let's see. So as I said, 60 is your best paper 2 mark so far. Now let's see how you get on this time. 11, 18, 32, 37, 47, 47, 52, 57, 60. It's 60 again. You can't break that 60 mark. That's a barrier that you keep banging your head against. So that's a D again, I'm afraid. It's about 5 marks off a grade C. But again, there are a few questions in there that if you watch how I go through them on the video, you should be able to think, oh yeah, I can do that.